Hi, this is WTF with Tom. Today, we're going to see if we can cook the turkey just as good on the grill as you can in your house and your stove. We're going to see how long it's going to take, if it's any better, or we're just wasting our time and drinking a lot of beer. Today is 4th of July, 2020. Remember, if you're going to go out in limited amounts of people, always 6 feet apart, and wear a mask. Now let's get this puppy soaked down with lighter fluid and catch it on fire. So what we've done is piled it into a pyramid, and then when it gets hot enough, we're going to hollow it out to where the middle there's nothing. Put the rack on it so there's no direct heat, and then we got a little compartment. We open that up and put in our wood chips. Been soaking in water overnight. Let's get started. Lighter fluid. Alright. That takes a lot, I would think. It wasn't full lighter fluid anyway. Alright. New lighter fluid anyway doesn't catch on fire like the old shit did. Much safer for dumbasses like me. Now let's get that nice and going. You're going to go through about a whole giant bag of charcoal. What you're going to do is put about a half a bin in the charcoal in the grill. Every 2 hours you got to redo the process. Takes 4 hours to cook a turkey. It's going to take 4 hours here. So one big giant bag. Boom. 2 hours later, dump the ashes out. More charcoal in grill. Gets it on fire. Replace the soaking wood chips. They've been soaking in water overnight. Replace those, get those hot again. Repeat process for the last 2 hours. Well, there's not too much to see here, so we'll be back. And now we're going to smoke the wood chips. That's it for now. There we go. Shut the lid. Let's get the whole thing up to temp. There we go. Open her up. Let her breathe. Well, I know she's got to breathe from the bottom. There we go. She's breathing now. Right. As soon as she gets up to temp, put the turkey on. 4 hours later, the top pops up and she's done. Been marinated overnight. Man, I need a beer. This shit's some work. Always Rolling Rock. I was gonna make a beer this morning, but it was too hot. At 7:45 it was already 80 degrees. And I just sweating. It's hot now, but at least the sun is going over to the back side of the trailer. So it ain't too bad. I need to trim these hedges. But yeah, as soon as it's up to temp, we'll shoot, turn it on, and drink some more beer. Later on this week, I will make that beer. It's going to be American Extra Pale Ale. Oh yeah, with good yeast. So stay tuned. All right. Sorry, I know I taped just putting it on there and putting everything together, the turkey. Forgot to turn the power on to my mic. So this is turkey. Just put it on there. Starve a little bit of the fire out so it kind of cools down, doesn't burn all the way through the pan. Had it done the first time. Go to the iPhone, and just happened a little over 2 minutes ago. I forgot. When I came back, I didn't have my lapel turned on. The rest of the wood chips smoking. Should take 4 hours between the weight and what the book says. This thing here is a beauty. Nice little music. Streams from your phone. Put your phone here. Charges. 2 beer holders. In the back you got a bottle opener. Loud. That's only a little bit. I got it controlled by my phone. I better turn it off before YouTube flags me. Alright. Cut. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. Let's see the temperature. .86. Humidity 59, 71 dew point. UV rays is high, 8. Alright, let's go back to our stopwatch. That was a brief weather moment. 20 minutes. Time to check on it. Let's see. Oh. Boy, she's just going away. All right. Doing good. Wood chips are doing their deed. Leave it dry a little bit. Add a little bit more smoke to it. There we go. We'll check on it. About 30 more minutes. Bye-bye. About 50 minutes. Let's check on the bird. Very hot. All right. She's doing good. I love this method. I think it tastes a lot better. Last time I did it was on Thanksgiving, about 5 years ago. It was pretty cold, so it took every bit of 4 hours. So I'm hoping this one either 4 hours or a little less since it's really hot out. All right. Let's get the lid. A boom, wada, bing. We'll check back right around the hour and a half mark. Right. Hey guys, I didn't think it was done. I just got. It's just now an hour and 20 minutes into it. My wife did tell me it is a small turkey. Cop came up. Got this meat thermometer. And it shows it's done. Damn, an hour and 20 minutes. But it is a small turkey, as you can see. The last one I did was a 20-pound turkey. This ain't nowhere near it. This one's a little guy. How about 12? But hey, it shows it's fast. It says almost, what is that, 190 degrees? Let's move it around. That's cooling down. Let's give it a second. Yeah, I'll be damned. Let's give that a second. I'm moving it around. Everywhere. About 190 degrees. It's got to be done. I'm going to find out. Alright, guys. I'll be back after this sucker gets eaten. This is the best way I like to cook turkey on Thanksgiving or 4th of July, because you don't heat your house up. So later. Alright, since the grill's hot, I did get a haircut. We're going to put on these Franks. There we go. Not in where the coals are. Ooh. There we go. Oh, these are fast. These are only going to be cooked for probably 5 minutes, if that. And that'd be it for the grill. And I'll show you my plate I put together and make sure it's not raw in the middle, which I don't think. I stuck it at 3 different spots. Each spot said 190. Popper came up, took an hour and 25 minutes. So that's not bad at all. Alright guys, later. Alright, the review. A turkey leg and pasta salad, noodle salad. Pasta salad, we call it Northwest Indiana. So then, an hour and 25 minutes for a 10-pound turkey. Plus you'll have enough coals for chicken breast and also hot dogs and hamburgers. So then, please subscribe. I need subscribers. Please watch the video to the end. All of them. I appreciate it. I really do. Subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments down below, and usually the first hour when I post them, usually it's 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. I'm on there for an hour and answering anybody's questions or shoot the breeze. But yeah, this turned out really good. I'm going to do this more often when it's too hot inside to cook. So then, this has been WTF with Tom, the 4th of July 2020 special. Hope everybody's having a fun 4th of July, and be safe. Don't blow your fingers off. Alright everybody, I want to continue drinking some more beer. My beer series, I don't know when I can get around doing that. When it's cool in the morning, I'll try to shoot about 7 a.m. Hopefully it's still like 70 degrees and not hotter like it was this morning. So then, we're going to enjoy the next 10 days at 90 degrees in Northwest Indiana and no rain until the following Friday. Not this Friday, but the following Friday. Alright guys, guys be safe and happy 4th of July. Bye.